Our next problem is PQRS is a parallelogram. L and M are points on PQ and SR respectively such that PL is equal to MR. Show that LM and QS bisect each other. So it is a verbal, so we need to draw according to the given information. So we have a parallelogram named PQRS and LM are points on PQ and SR. So on PQ you have L, on SR you have some M, and respectively such that PL is equal to MR. So PL this much is equal to MR, these two are equal. Show that LM, that means this one LM, and QS, this is QS, bisect each other. So bisect each other, that means this should be equal to this one and this one should be equal to this one. Assume that they bisect at O. So OL is equal to OM and OS equal to OQ. That's what we need to prove. So this is a parallelogram and opposite sides are equal, and from the problem it is given that some part of that opposite sides are equal. So from that we can get other relations, like for example I can write PQ, I am considering PQ which is equal to SR, okay, which is equal to SR. So I can write PQ as PL plus LQ, which is equal to SR, I can write SM plus MR. From the given information PL is equal to MR, so PL and MR I am cancelling because those two are equal. So the so that we got LQ or QL is equal to SM. So this is LQ and SM we got as equal. Why this one? Because the things we need to prove, like this thing confined in these two triangles. So if we get the other side information, then we can, by congruency we can take the relations easily. So here we got one relation, side relation. So now consider the triangles, triangle OSM and triangle OLQ, these two triangles. So in those two triangles, according to this, LQ is equal to SM. This is the first relation for proving congruency. So now check this, any equalities are there or not. See, PQ and SR are parallel lines. If we consider SR as a transverse axis, then their alternate angles like this, like LQO, angle LQO will be equal to angle MSO. This is the second relation. This angle and this angle are equal. And since these two are crossing each other, the opposite angles, these two are equal. So angle LOQ is equal to angle MOS, which is third relation. So from these three relations, equality relations, we can say that triangle OSM is congruent to triangle OLQ. Why should we take this congruency? Because the sides that we need to prove that are equal confined in these two triangles. So we proved congruency. So according to this congruency, the respective sides which are seems to be same are should be equated. So here OS is equal to OQ and OM is equal to OL. So that's what we need to proved. Because these two are equal, that means we can say, you can say QS is bisecting LM. That's what LM is bisect and QS are bisecting each other. That's what we proved, the relation that we need.